I think that Lake Mead has finally reached inactive pool. They say that inactive pool is below 1,050 foot of water. And the water level right now, according to that article 6 hours ago, is 1,044 foot. So we have officially dropped 6 foot below active pool, which means that the turbines, or those big generating things, can no longer pull in water to create electricity, which is insane now.
What's up, everybody? Joey again, Vegas D-Tech. How the hell are you? Just got back from our little excursion out in Laughlin. Nice to be home. I'm thoroughly burnt up, man. I'm talking about from my throat down. I'm like a crawfish, dude. Just completely burnt. But anyways, man, the whole point of this video here today is I wanted to bring the the latest news that I found. And when I got back, I found out that guys, that we've been having a problem here with the water at Lake Mead. And when I was over in Laughlin, I noticed how the dam opens up and closes at a certain time of the day, and the water at that river can go from being peaceful and placid, like hardly any movement at all, to a point that when they open up the dam and they allow the river to flow, it's like a torrent, bro. When you get in there, you get up to your waist, and literally you can't bend down to go underwater for any reason, because the current will just sweep you away. And that's just how strong it is when they open up the spillways. Well, Vegas right now, the dam has levels, okay? You got full pool, you got inactive pool, and then you have dead pool, right? So just like looking down here at this little creek right here, Lake Mead is still able to allow enough water to spill past it to flow down into Mojave, and then from Mojave it flows down into Havasu. Today I find out that we are below active pool, and what that means is that the generators, the turbines, can no longer provide electricity. Now, Las Vegas uses about 36% of the power from those generators in the dams, and inactive pool, this is anything below what, 1,050, and we're at 1,040 right now. So active pool, no more. So the generators aren't producing power. However, the spillways are allowing water to flow down, so I know that the cities below us are still getting water. Once it gets down to below 900, it'll be just called dead pool, and dead pool is a water puddle, which means that the lake will no longer even be able to allow water to come out of it in order to get down to the people below us in Arizona and California. So I don't have any idea what's going on, how this is going to play out. Now, as far as fireworks here, normally we have these things called phantom firework booths, and they're staged everywhere. Now, for 2 weeks, we're able to have the fireworks booths will be up and selling fireworks. Now, we can't have firecrackers. The stuff that goes bang, they don't want things that actually shoot up in the air and pop. So they sell sparklers and a myriad combo of fireworks and so forth. But what's really funny is that those booths, I seen them built prior to us taking off. They're like yellow booths everywhere. I came back looking around the neighborhoods everywhere, and all the booths are gone. To the Chevron, and the fireworks booth before we left was right here. There was a phantom fireworks booth ready to go, and you're allowed to sell fireworks for 2 weeks prior to the 4th of July. And if it's not there, then it's normally right over here on this side, and I don't see the fireworks booths are gone. And then right across the street here is a main shopping center, and normally there's 2 fireworks booths over there, and they're gone. So I don't know if that's in relation to the water at Lake Mead hitting inactive pool, but I just don't see the fireworks displays, and they're normally up here and selling fireworks at this time. Who knows? If the whole state of becoming lower than active pool, that they've pulled all the fireworks stands, don't know where they are. I just went walking around my neighborhood here, and all the corners where they're normally posted, they're no longer there. So I have no clue what that is all about. I'm trying to figure it out. But you know what's really funny is that the more that they ban fireworks, the more that I see them. I mean, to ban fireworks on the 4th of July is almost like trying to ban breathing. You know what I mean? I mean, how can you do it? Yeah, I don't know where in the hell all these people get fireworks from, but I'm talking about the big ones, the cannons. They don't care, man. They'll have them out in the middle of the street, and they'll launch these cannons up in the air in your neighborhood, man. I mean, I'm talking about big fireworks are blowing off in the air. And these are illegal fireworks that come from, you know, the Indian reservations. And that's where everybody gets all these fireworks, bro. But it's just strange, man, to be able to see and understand water, because I've never actually seen how the power of a river stops. It goes from flowing zero to massive flowing, and I got to see that firsthand when I went out there to Laughlin, how it went placid at night. So this is how the water looks like at night on the river. Just a dead, placid stream, just like this right here. But then right around 10 o'clock onwards, the current flow is just massive, and when you get in the water, you just get swept away, dude. So I don't know how it all works, man, but I'm learning it, and this is all part of the water situation here in Las Vegas, man. So normally I don't make videos like this. My channel is normally about metal detecting and hobbies and so forth. But oh yeah, I want to show you guys this mini truck. Check this out. Totally my high school style right there, man. 50 series tires, slam suspension, Arizona truck. Loving it, man. I would actually buy this thing if this guy actually wanted to sell it. A little 5-speed, sweetness. Anyways, stepping back to it. Yeah, man, I've never really noticed the situation with the water here in Las Vegas, but it's getting pretty serious, man. Now, what's really funny is that the real estate and the realtors in Nevada, they get on their channels all the time saying, oh, there's no problem with water, there's no problem with water. Nobody wants to say that there's a problem with water. And it's clearly evident when you see the bathtub ring that there's a problem with water. Boats are sticking out of the water like pyramids of Egypt everywhere. But realtors just want that money. They want you to buy these homes, man. $500,000, $150,000 over what they're actually worth. But if you're willing to come out of pocket and pay that $150, realtors will tell you, hey, no problems with water. Keep coming, keep coming, keep developing. It's a sad story of this city. Such is life, though, right? Anyways, man, I'm gonna close this one out, man. Thanks for following along with me. It's Joey again, Vegas Detect. You guys be well. See you on the next video.